Good morning everyone. I am Adira. I am studying junior KG. I am dressed up today potato and tell my importance. Potato tasty. Potato always tasty. Potato tasty. Potato always tasty. I have vitamins and potassium that will protect your heart. I am rich in fiber that will help for good digestion. Potato tasty. Potato always tasty. I am kids' favorite snacks. You can make me fries and chips, but when you boil me, you can get full energy. Potato tasty. Potato always tasty. Cut and place me on your eyes. I will cure a dark circle. Apply me in basket. I will cure it fast. Potato tasty. Potato always tasty. I am round and brown. I will grow underground. Potato tasty. Potato always tasty. Thank you.